Luca, and today we're building a car, and we're going to finish it, because I already started, and I know it doesn't look like a car yet, but it is. So let's get started, and I'll show you the booklet. So we're basically going to start finding the pages that I need to be on. Okay, I'm going to do this, because I already did it, but I took these red pieces off, so these are by the brown. Push that on. See? There we go. And then we're going to go to this. First, we put the grill in the middle of this. I know it looks weird, but there we go. You need to find this one. Ah, it's not going on. Well, that's okay, because you can always put it on later. And there's the other one. I can find it, though. Here we go. Here's that. Flip it over. Put these on the ends. Here's one. Here's two. See, everyone? Now, I don't know if we're going to have to keep it upside down. Oh, flip it back over if you had it the other side. Something. Put that next to it. Flip it over. Put this. Put this back here. And then, well, we're going to put this facing like this. Then we're going to find the other one. Put it like this. Now, we're going to get these. Put these behind. I'll turn the page. Now, we're going to put, oh, Mom? We need another one of the gray pieces. These pieces. Okay, come on, everybody. I gotta get some piece. Gotta get another piece. Okay, found one of them. It goes back here, right? Oh no, it touches this. Wait a minute. I think it's supposed to be behind. That's supposed to go like that. Oh, this is supposed to go up one. Jeez. My bad, guys. It's supposed to go up one. I gotta find this one. There we go. And this is the front. We're almost done, guys. We need to put these on the top. So, here's one. Here is two. Then we just need to put these on. I'll build the last one because I already have 3 built. I'll show you how it's done and how it's built. You can use different tires, but you just need to get the right kind, like medium. So first you take these, if you already know how to build them, good, because then you would know how to build these. But you see this Lego over here? And that one? Those are a little harder, so I had to use a brother with me. And so it has a lot of stickers too. But I'm going to push that in with my hand because it's kind of hard. And we're almost done, you guys. We're done. So here is the car. Let's make sure there's nothing left. But you can add something back here if you want. Like put like a different thing. Like if you want, you can put like well, I hope you see my videos again. Bye-bye. And, well, we don't have a channel name yet. Well, bye-bye.